Successful means achieve your aims. Speaker means person who give a talk. Audience means group of people who have gathered to listen or watch to something. Excited means happy. Terrible means very bad. Reach means achieve a particular aim. Goal means something you hope to achieve. Daydream means pleasant thoughts that make you forget about pleasant. Improve means become better. Realize means understand. Imitate means copy. Accomplish means finish. Overcome means success dealing with problem. Fear means scare. Give a speech means give a formal talk to audience.